Hezbollah launched a record rocket volley at Israel Wednesday following an Israeli strike that killed a top commander. More than 200 rockets fell in northern Israel, the highest one-day total this year. A federal judge has struck down a Florida law that prevented doctors from giving puberty blockers and hormonal treatments to children. The judge called the law unconstitutional. And House lawmakers have voted to hold Attorney General Merrick Garland in contempt of Congress for refusing to turn over audio of President Joe Biden's interview in his classified documents case. It is a move that comes just weeks after the White House blocked release of the recording to lawmakers.